Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to model this shape. So you should know which project this one is. Okay, so let's have a look over this. So this is a mess. Okay, so a mess. Let's have a look over this mess. And if we go to floor plan, and so this is the floor plan of this little structure. So I don't think Revit is very good at for this type of structure, but we can try to model it as close as possible. Okay, so let's do it. So first, I'm just going to maybe let's go to 3D view. I'm going to just delete everything here. Okay, so and we'll start from. So this is the floor plan. So I just get this from ArcDaily and load it. Just load this into the floor plan and scale it to the right size. Okay, so now this is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a piece of a face and then use void to cut this shape. And also because all at the here roughly this edge need to be at ground level or at one same level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a reference line to place multiple profiles of this surface or face. So now let's do it. I'll use spline through points, and so first I'm going to start roughly here. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then I'll just it's a little bit hard. So let's pretend this is the edge. Okay, so this is the edge, this is the edge, and this is the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'll just add 1, 2, so roughly here, and then here, and roughly here. So and another one. So here, 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 and here. So then there will be the one in the middle. So I'll roughly place it here, and then this one will be the same. So cross this and roughly in the middle, and go here, finish it here. So another one. So 1, 2, roughly here, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, or maybe last 2. So I'll have one roughly here, and then another one maybe here. So now if we go to 3D view, so you will see these are the reference line or spline, and then we can select all of them, okay, and then create a form. So now we have this flat form, okay, and then the next step is we can just, so let me just go close, what's this one? Okay, so this one, yeah, that's fine, let's close it. And then this is the floor plan. So let's have a look at WT. So we have this here. So this is, we need to rotate it. Okay, so now we can roughly start to, adjust the size. So this one, I'll move this up, okay, and this go up a little bit, and this is the middle one, so which was this one, and this one, and then this one, which is this one. So, and then I think that's it. So I'm still not sure how it will looks like when after I cut the void. So now I'll just leave it for now, and let's draw some lines to follow the shape of this this structure. Okay, so now reference again, we're going to use this. Okay, and also we're going to draw it on with a work plan. So in here, so it's on level 1. Okay, so we're going to draw on level 1. So I'll start from this point. So roughly follow the shape of this and stop here. Again, start from here and stop here, and another one start here and stop at this point, then start from this point. So, and stop here, and then another one here and stop here. So maybe this one need to go. Okay, so now we have all these, and yeah, of course we need, oops, sorry, we need another we need to close this shape. Okay, so maybe we can do this. So instead of draw a line, we can just select two of the tab, select two of the points, and create a spline through them and make it reference line. Again here, so select a point, another point, spline, reference line, another point, spline, and reference line. So another point, spline, and reference line. Another one here, spline, reference line. Okay, so now, so you will see if you select the whole thing, select one of the reference line, it will select the whole, profile of this. But you won't be able to cut, use this one. You won't be able to create a void. If you create a void, you will create a void in the middle. So what we need to do is we need to create two void. So what I'm going to do is just draw a reference line and start from one of the points, so maybe here, and go out. Okay, so include. You just need to include, part or half or part of this face. Okay, so I'll just maybe draw this back stop here. So, and then we need to draw another set of reference lines, include everything on the other side, and then back to here. So now if I select this part, hang on, let me just try to select. Okay, so now we have this reference lines, and then we need to also include part of this. So tab, control select, control select, control select, control select, control select, control select, control select. Okay, and then create a void, and then pick the one on the left, and you will see this is a void, and it goes up. So we need it to go down as well. So I'll just type in 1 or 10 meter down, and then we can use cut and cut this and cut. So this will cut away half or part of that that area, and then repeat. So select this part. So move your cursor here. So this, okay. So click, and then go here. So you need to tab, control select, control select, control select, and then create another void, and select the left one, and the same. So just type in some number, go negative for negative offset. So make sure to cut this surface, and then use cut, pick this surface, and pick this void. So now you will see this is it. And then now you can, so if I just TW, so you can now adjust the shape. So for example, I can just select this point, so you can move it down a little bit, or you can also go to the start elevation view of this 3D view. You can use your keyboard to adjust the shape. Okay, something like that. So maybe this one to go down a little bit and go up. Maybe this need to go down. Maybe need this to go down a little bit. So yeah, so this is it. So you will see this is a surface of that structure. And then if I create a project and then load this mess into the project, and then let's have a look in 3D view, and this is it. Okay, so let me change to shade SD. Oh, because it's mess. Let's try object style and mess. Give it a material instead of default form, which is a translucent material. Maybe this one. Okay. SD. Still doesn't work. Maybe let's have a look again. So mass. Anyway, let's just ignore this. Let's just place something on this mass. Okay, so you can place either wall or roof. You can't do floor because floor is different. Okay, so let's place a roof on it. So click, create a roof. So yeah, maybe it's too thick. Change. Oh, sorry. Select the roof. Yep. Maybe pick. I'm not sure which one. Maybe this one. Yeah, that's better. So that's the shape. And then if you want to add those balustrades or railing, I think you can do it in the mass as well. So what you can do is, of course, you can just do it straight away. You can just, for example, you can place a point and then draw a profile and then create a sweep kind of thing. Or you can also, so I'll just quickly show you. Okay, so you can do it, create a generic model adaptive. Okay, so generic model adaptive. We will use this as a profile. So if I place a point here, make it adaptive, and then actually I'm not sure which work plan I should use. Let's try. Okay, so I'll just try place a point and I'll just pick. I'm not sure which one. I'll just pick this one, for example, and place a point, and I'll just drag this to here to create a line. And I want to use line instead of reference line because you won't be able to see the reference lines. So we have to use model line. Okay, so make sure this is not checked. So I'll just have a look and see what direction it will be if I place this into the project. So let's do it. So load this into the family. Sorry, family, not project. Okay, so now I'll use place on face. Okay, and move to the edge of this. So yeah, I think that's it. That's the correct direction. So you will see it will perpendicular to this, the face of this. So I'll try. Oops, sorry. I'll try. I'll try this here. Yes. So you'll see it always perpendicular to the face. Okay. So now I want to go to this profile again. So edit, edit. So what's going on? Okay, here. So let's go to floor plan. So what I'm going to do is I'll create a height for this one. So this is our offset. So this will obey the height of that railing. Okay, and I'll use instance OK and OK, and then I'll just use, I'll create model line, but this time I want to set a work plan first. So I'll set work plan onto this work plan. Okay, so this, and then I want to use spline. This time I want to try spline. Okay, so I will start from this point, and actually I'm not sure what the shape of this ray balustrade will be, so I'll just roughly draw it like this. Okay, so maybe it's, I don't know, maybe roughly, okay, something like this. Okay, so the reason why I want to use a spline is I can add a dimension to it. So I'm going to HI, isolate it, and I'll do a dimension DI, and I'll tab, pick this point, and go here, tab, pick this point. So this is the dimension of this spline. And if you link this to the height, and now you will see if I type HR, select this point, and you will see this spline will follow my follow the point. Okay, so yeah, I know probably it's not supposed to be scaling like this. Probably like you will keep the thickness, but for this is a very quick exercise. Just want to show you the possibility. Okay, so let's load this into that mass and overwrite. So now this looks like it's on the wrong side. That's fine. We can go back. What's going on? Maybe we need to. Yeah. So we can just select this and mirror, uncheck the copy, and maybe pick this work plan. Doesn't work. It works, but the dimension is gone, so that's fine. We can HI, DI, tab, pick this point, tab, pick this point, and link it to height again. So now load this into the family and override. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that's one profile. So now we can do this. Okay, so tab, select this edge, and after you select this edge, you can use divide path. So depending on how many profile you want. So currently we have 6, and then we can just select this profile, pick new, and place it on one of the nodes, and then select this profile. You can use repeat. Okay, and then select this repeater. You can remove repeater. So now you have 6 profile on 6 different spots, and then we can you can, if you want to, you can adjust the size. So for example, I'll change this to 1 meter. This one can be 1 meter as well, and this one can be 1200, and these two maybe are 1400, something like that. And then we can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 together with this edge. Okay, so not this divided path, not divided path. We need to tab, tab, and a tab. So this one, so the edge. Control, select, and create form. So you can create something like this. Yeah, I know the shape is not the same, but just give you some idea. So you can do something like this, and then of course you can do all the same. I'll just do another one. Okay, I'll just let's just do another one. So tab, tab, pick this edge, divide path, create a component, place it on the nodes, select this and repeat, and select the repeater and remove repeater, and then select. So this size you can change. For example, 1 meter for these two. Select these two, you can change to 1200, and these two, maybe change it to 1400, and then select the profile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and tab, tab, tab. Control, select, create form. That's another one. Okay, so that's it. And then if you load this into the project, so you probably hang on, same name. Please rename one of the. Okay, so we have some issue of the name. So this is quite important. So we can't have same name. Let's have a look at this one. Maybe I'll change this. Rename 44. How about that? Load this into the project. Overwrite. Okay, so let's have a look. So you will see you can see this one. So you probably need to change the material so it becomes solid, and then you still have. So this is the roof. If I HH, so you can see this is the mass, the face. So that's it. So it's not perfect, but at least it's possible to create roughly a similar shape. Okay, so that's it. If you know better method, please let me know. Okay, thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.